We expect an insurance company to keep its promise. So whenever that big insurance company doesn't keep its promise, especially during a natural disaster, sometimes you need to get a lawyer who's going to fight for you and who knows the ins and outs, the ups and downs of insurance law. So I was called by a client one Friday afternoon on my way home, actually, but I could hear in her voice how distraught she was, how this was her last hope. On the other end of the phone, the client was telling me about how her home had been destroyed because of pipe bursts, because of the December freeze here in Texas. She told me of how her contractor had estimated $60,000 worth of damage, but the insurance company only wanted to pay her about $5,000. And even more, she was about to run out of additional living expense, which paid for her hotel stay. And the insurance company was not about to pay for a day longer in the hotel. Immediately, I got on the phone because I knew exactly who to call. I called that insurance company up, I called that adjuster, and I had them on the phone within that hour. So within the hour, we were able to extend her hotel stay for her family. We were able to make the insurance company write her another check for additional food that she would be needing while she was in the hotel stay. And we agreed that they were going to send someone else out there to inspect that property because they hadn't been inspected right. So eventually, after we'd gotten the client's estimate and her property re-inspected, the negotiation process started. And after this client had only been offered $5,000 to complete all the drywall in her home, to get new cabinets, the insurance company had expected her to get all new flooring throughout that home, as well as other property damage to her personal property. So after negotiating with the insurance company, we were able to negotiate an additional $75,000 payment to this lady. She was able to get her cabinets replaced. She was able to get her flooring replaced, to get all the painting that needed to be done instead of just patches of drywall that the insurance company was originally only trying to offer her. So with this money, she was able to get her home fixed, move her family back in the home, and get back on with their lives. Now, no one can really plan for a natural disaster, but you can be prepared by knowing a lawyer who understands insurance law. And here at Forest Law, we understand insurance law. So if you're having a policy question or having an issue with your insurance company, feel free to give us a call. We do a free policy review, and we'd be glad to help you out.